The AI gold rush, from side hustle to seven figures. Forget the old rules. The internet changed everything. Now, AI is rewriting the rules of wealth. According to CNBC and Higgins, growing up in a neighborhood in Queens, New York, this millionaire left school at the age of 16. He worked hard to make a living selling flowers on the streets during the day and attended college classes in the evenings. With determination and big dreams, he set aspirations for himself. Over time, he was involved in founding and selling companies worth millions of dollars, made appearances as an investor on Shark Tank, taught at Harvard Business School, and managed 2 NFL teams. Despite his successes, he often thought about what he would do if he lost everything and had to start over. Thankfully, with the advancements in AI technology today, there are opportunities to generate income like never before. Hearing about a college student who created an AI business making $64,000 per month was truly motivating. He said if he were to begin with $100 today, here's how he would use AI to generate substantial passive income every month. He is none other than Matt Higgins. Matt is a self-made serial entrepreneur, and he lends his welcoming experience on how he would use $100 today for wealth. You don't need a fancy degree or $1 million to strike it rich. Think about it. Regular people are turning side hustles into seven-figure empires. How? By harnessing the power of AI. We're talking about using AI to automate tasks, create content, and generate passive income. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now. And the best part? You can start small. With less than $100, you can dip your toes into the world of AI and start building your own income streams. This isn't about getting rich quick. This is about using AI to work smarter, not harder. Ready to join the AI revolution? Let's go. Cracking the code AI isn't rocket science anymore. AI might sound intimidating, but it's becoming increasingly accessible. No need to be a coding whiz. Think of AI as your new business partner. It's a powerful tool that can handle the tedious stuff, freeing you up to focus on the big picture. Let's demystify AI. There are tons of user-friendly AI tools out there, designed for everyday people. These tools can help you with everything from writing compelling marketing copy to designing eye-catching graphics. Imagine this. You have an idea for a product, but you're not a designer. No problem. AI design tools can help you create stunning visuals in minutes. Or maybe you're not a wordsmith. AI writing assistants can help you craft persuasive product descriptions that sell. The key is to experiment and find the right AI tools for your needs. Don't be afraid to try different tools and see what works best for you. Remember, AI is a tool. It's up to you to use it effectively. Your AI Side Hustle Starter Pack. Under $100 to launch. So, you want to dive into the AI game without emptying your wallet? Well, you're in luck. Believe it or not, you can kickstart your AI side hustle with less than $100. Yes, you heard that right. Here's your budget-friendly starter pack. And no, it doesn't include a magic wand. First up, an AI writing assistant. For about $30 a month, you get a digital buddy that writes better than your high school English teacher. Use it to churn out blog posts, social media content, and even ebooks. Your followers will think you're a content machine. Next, an AI design tool. These platforms often have free trials or cheap monthly plans. Perfect for the Picasso in you. Create logos, social media graphics, and marketing materials that look like you hired a pro. No design degree required. And don't forget online courses. Invest in a budget-friendly course to learn the basics of AI. Think of it as leveling up your game. Remember, start small. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your AI empire. Focus on one AI tool and one income stream to begin with. Master it, then move on to the next. As you gain experience and profits, expand your AI toolkit and explore new opportunities. The sky's the limit, my friend. AI-powered passive income streams, print-on-demand revolution. Let's talk about making money while you sleep. Passive income is the holy grail, and AI is making it more attainable than ever. One of the hottest trends right now is AI-powered print-on-demand. Here's how it works. AI design magic. Use AI design tools to create unique and eye-catching designs for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. Print-on-demand platforms. Partner with popular print-on-demand platforms that handle the production, shipping, and customer service. Promote and profit. List your AI-designed products on your website, social media, or online marketplaces. The beauty of print-on-demand is that you don't need to hold any inventory. The platform handles everything once an order is placed. You simply focus on creating awesome designs and promoting your products. Beyond t-shirts, AI design domination. Don't limit yourself to just t-shirts. The AI design revolution extends to a wide range of products and services. Digital products. Create stunning ebooks, workbooks, and printables with AI-powered design tools. Social media templates. Offer pre-designed social media templates for businesses looking to up their visual game. Website design. Use AI-powered website builders to create professional-looking websites without any coding knowledge. The possibilities are endless. Get creative and explore different niches where you can leverage your AI design skills to generate passive income. The algorithm advantage, letting AI do the heavy lifting. One of the most powerful aspects of AI is its ability to analyze data and identify patterns that humans might miss. This is where the algorithm advantage comes into play. For example, AI-powered marketing tools can analyze your target audience's online behavior, helping you create highly targeted ads that convert like crazy. AI can also optimize your website content for search engines, driving more organic traffic your way. The key takeaway here is to embrace the power of algorithms. Let AI do the heavy lifting when it comes to data analysis, marketing optimization, and trend prediction. This will free up your time and energy to focus on the creative and strategic aspects of your business. Or your AI success blueprint, from zero to passive income hero. Ready to embark on your own AI-powered passive income journey? Here's a simple blueprint to get you started. 1. Identify your niche. What are you passionate about? What problems can you solve with AI? 2. Choose your AI tools. Explore different AI writing assistants, design tools, or other AI-powered platforms that align with your niche. 3. Create your product or service. Use your chosen AI tools to develop a high-quality product or service that solves a specific problem for your target audience. 4. Build your online presence. Create a simple website or landing page to showcase your offering and attract potential customers. 5. Promote like a pro. Leverage social media, content marketing, and paid advertising to get the word out about your AI-powered product or service. Remember, consistency is key. Building a successful passive income stream takes time and effort. Stay committed to your goals, continuously learn and adapt, and don't be afraid to experiment along the way. The future is now. Your AI adventure starts today. The AI revolution is here, and it's changing the game for entrepreneurs and side hustlers everywhere. This is your chance to be at the forefront of this exciting new frontier. You don't need a ton of money or technical expertise to get started. All you need is a willingness to learn, a passion for innovation, and the courage to take action. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of AI, explore its limitless possibilities, and start building the passive income streams of your dreams. The future is now, and it's waiting for you to shape it. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching.